Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a CX-30 2020 that's using a key looking like that. You guys make sure that you program OEM part. Autel tells you along the way that if you're gonna program an aftermarket, car will start, but it's not gonna stop doing beeps and showing you the keyless entry fail, and it's just gonna be super annoying. It's not gonna stop. So make sure you guys are using an OEM only. So in our case, it's adding a key, but should be almost the same all key lost. Just because it's a newer car, I will show you how to do that. So we're gonna go manual selection. CX-30. And we're gonna press yes. I'm gonna go control unit, key learning, just so we can see the number of keys before we start is 2. And we're just gonna go add smart key. And we're gonna hit start. Okay, it tells us to turn the ignition on, so this is the case that if it was an all key lost, just use the special functions to put the ignition on before you start the job. Okay, so after a red BCM, so now basically we got to the 7 minutes that we normally know by Mazdas, that after the 7 minutes is gonna be the 2 horns. So until now all of those things was kind of new for the Mazdas. So I'm gonna wait for that to finish and I will be back with you just before the beep star sound. So I just heard 2 horns, but we still gonna need to wait for the number of seconds to arrive to 420, and then we're gonna be able to learn the new key. So learned key is 2. We need to depress the brake while you're putting a key on the push to start. And that's it. Cord number of keys are 3. We don't want to do a new key, so we're just gonna hit no. We need to turn the ignition to off, so we're just gonna shut off the ignition, and we're gonna depress the brake and start it with the key. For 3 seconds, and then we're gonna shut the car off, and then we're gonna take the customer key in this case, and we're gonna put it on. For 3 seconds, and then we're going to shut the car off. And both keys are working, but there has a light on the dash. We're going to see how we can clear that. So since the code came in, we have no other choice to get an OEM. So we got an extra OEM, and
in order to get rid of the code, you need to erase the key from the system. So we're gonna do Alt Lost and erase all the keys, and then we're just gonna add those two, and we're gonna make sure it's gonna take the light off. So only after we program the two OEM keys, we were able to start the car and not having any key fault on the dash. So the only way to do it is to have two OEM keys and then just erase all DTC and make sure there is no codes. But this is how you do a CX-30 2020. Job is done. Thank you guys for watching.